Go to Device Management, Controller and Door. Identify which controller to edit. Then click the green Edit Controller button. Change controller mode to barrier mode. Then change weekend reader number 2 into door 2 exit. And reader number 1, door 1 entry. Now click the green Edit Door button of door 1. Tick the Require Reader Arming and Hide Never Opened Events. Click the green Save and Close button. Now edit door 2 alike as door 1 setting. Tick the Require Reader Arming and Hide Never Opened Events. Edit Release, Open and Close Time. Click the green Save and Close button.